How's it going? Welcome back. Today I tried to start the video with starting this Evo up, but it's too dead. I haven't tried to jump it with the Lexus, still too dead. So I gotta rethink that one through. So I ended up making an amateur mistake with the Lexus. Alright, so I call it an amateur mistake because I didn't know if I touch this one piece that it'll kind of break it. But back here, I blew the cone. I touched this cone in here and it blew. So now all this is ripped. All that, now I have no bass. I literally sit here and listen to the music and bassless. But luckily I do have two 8s sitting behind me, so I'm gonna get all this taken apart and try to get that out and replace it with the aftermarket 8. So when I said I had an idea to start up the Evo, this is my idea. He got 2 batteries, you know? Those 2 batteries can help jump one. Oh, it unlocked. Yeah, gotta make sure it's not in gear. Oh, it's not working. Okay, so that plan didn't work, but Scott did come up with another idea. So we're gonna try to push it down the street, pop the clutch, and hopefully it cuts on. And until then, I'm gonna be looking at how to wire up one of these speakers. So hopefully I can find something, because I don't like driving without music. The music isn't the same without bass. So, yeah. Alright, so this is the old one here. Oh, I have to try to take these wires off, reuse them, because this is the plug for the stock ECU or the stock amp. But with this new one, which I'm going to set up over here, and I'm going to try to solder the positive with positive, negative with negative. Got the solder getting ready right there. And hopefully this goes well. So we have found a black wire with a black stripe on it, and then we found just a black wire. But we're gonna connect it together before we solder all this up and stuff and see if this thing knocks. Sounds the same, Scott.
It does, don't it?
Damn. Alrighty, so we got this little 8-inch sub in there. I'm not really happy with it, but it'll do. But now it's time to finally push the Evo. It's gonna be me, Scott, and my brother. Gonna push it up the street. Hopefully it starts, because the battery's not charging and it's not starting up. But ready, I'm gonna drop the brake.
Hey, I bet you at the top of that hill.
Are you ready? I'm gonna hop in. Fuck! Cool.
And it's dark.
Well, that was a fail.
And it's dark.
Alright, so it is 1100 watt monoblock amp, and it comes with the whole wiring kit. Bought off Amazon. Pretty cheap, wasn't too bad. But I'm just opening it up to show you guys, and I'm gonna let Scott get in here and do his thing. This is the unboxing for you guys. Yes, the trunk is kind of dirty, but you know, oh well. Also, it comes with a knob to turn it up and down for the bass. So there it goes. And I'm gonna pass it over to Scott and let him do his thing. So we start off with taking the back seat off, and then we're gonna pop this out. Ooh, thought that broke. Maybe this can come off. It'll be helpful. Should just pop out of here. Ah, yeah, just pull this up. Oh, snap. Scott, I think I found a way. Tell me what you think, boss. Do I need to go any further and take the back seats off?
Nah, bullshit.
All right, good. All right, so what are you guys doing here, Scott?
You know, we're just taping this cable to this, shit, whatever you want to call it.
Coat hanger? All right, so we're taping this wire to the coat hanger, which is connected to this side right here. I got you, I can do that. Oh, damn, it's kind of hard, Scott.
Oh, shit.
Ah, I'm pulling this. It's whatever this thing is. Ah, you's a smart guy, Scott. You know what? That's why I got you helping me out. Alrighty, so we ran it from the back door, or the back seat, to the driver's door. Now we got to find a hole inside of the engine bay so we can run it to the battery. Lift this up. Hopefully it stays. I never bought new struts, and it does. Boom. So hopefully it's gonna go through this hole, maybe right here, maybe put it up through there and run it down this line, something like that. Scott will figure it out. You know, he's the electrical guy. All right, so we ran the wire under here, as you can see, and then there's a clip inside of there, inside behind here. Oh, I can show you. He popped this clip off right there. It's gonna come outside the door. I'm gonna make a little slit right here and tuck the wire in there. It goes through the fender. Through the fender, it'll come out right there. So I ran it up and over and then through this hole. It will not be anywhere near the tire, so I'm not really stressing it. It's gonna come out this way, and we'll figure out somewhere with the roll around here, add the fuse in there and stuff, blah blah blah. Right, Scott? Yep. This is the middle of the progress right here. We ran the fuse to the front. Oh, they think they ain't funny. I'm trying to record over here. You may want to start up bikes. Okay. Let's start up some bikes then. I got my bike right here. Let's start mine up. Start mine up too. So my boy OG Bobby Johnson over there, he just got done replacing his radiator and rudely interrupted my beginning of my filming, but I'll show you guys the rest of it though. Ooh. So we ran the wires, as you know, we ran it through here into the engine bay. This wire came back right where the red one is, through there, and this is gonna be my knob to turn up the bass or turn down the bass. Oh, right here, turn up the bass, turn on the bass. And to the trunk where Scott is still doing a lot of wiring. So yeah, I'll update you guys when we get some more. Hopefully it'll be done by then. I just wanted to update you guys and see what's going on. So finally I can show you guys the finished product. Scott did hook up everything. We got the wiring all tucked up in here. This doesn't really work, I mean, I guess, because all the stock stuff still works. And the wiring on the engine bay is good. We ran it through here. If you end up having any questions about how we wired it up, please comment down below. But let's move on to the trunk and I'll show you guys how Scott set it up. And it's not done like being tucked, but it's all there. The box itself doesn't move or anything, so let's go see it. Here's the box. This is actually not the original one that I started the video with, but we took a 212 box and we cut it in half. So this is the wiring right here. It comes out from there. I got some of this to tuck it all up. I'm gonna do that really soon. The amp I mounted on top, which might be a bad idea because it gets really hot right here, so I might want to move it over there. This used to be a 212 box, but we cut it in half, and now we got 112 in there. So if you have any questions about where all these things go and stuff, comment down below. And once I get a hold of Scott, I'll be able to answer them. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start this up so you guys can hear it. Alright. So I won't play this song very long because I don't want to get anything copyrighted. So just listen for the bass. That's all that's changed, is the bass. What do you guys think about that? Comment down below if you guys have 12s in your car, 10s, 8s, or anything. Comment down. If you have an Instagram, put it down there below also so I can see it. I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I'll probably continue some more of this in the next video. It's your boy Levon, and I'm out of here.